we've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds. So at first, unroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and mark sound and vibration. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice touch sounds. So this is how you can activate them. And now, okay, so my device is muted currently, but when it's not, you will be able to hear each tap of mine. And then whenever you would like to mute it, just open sound and vibration and switch it off. And from now on, it will be muted. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.